Good day, folks. Hope everybody's having a great day. I'm at a spot here. I've located this spot before and discovered there's some debris and stuff on the ground here. But I haven't really been digging for any bottles, so today I thought I'd come back and see if we can't locate some bottles here. There's a couple apple trees right in there, and there's a cellar hole right over that way as well. And we'll check that out later on. I got my probe with me today and shovel. I normally don't use a probe, but I brought one today for the purpose of the video. And we'll try that out. See what we can find with that. There's a big deer track. A couple of them there. Well, there's a car door there. This whole road. There's a galvanized bucket right over in there. You see that? Well, that's a good indication that we're at an old spot. And we're going to head up in that way. And I'll get you back up in a couple minutes. Alright. And we're back, folks. Just scraped up a couple bottles here. They're right near the surface. We got, let's start with this Raleigh screw top. It's got the consumer glass mark. The C and the diamond there. And they came into being in 1917 is when consumer glass started. But then let's check over to this one here. This green one's got the Dominion glass mark on it. And they came into being in 1928. So we know from that that this stuff's probably in the 30s. It's after 1928 for sure. That stuff there is a galvanized bucket. There's another amber one here on the surface. And this got the Dominion glass mark as well on it. So that's after 1928. Not really as old as the stuff we want. So I'm going to keep moving on. I'll get you back up in a couple minutes. Back again, folks. There's that galvanized bucket over there. I was just over there. And now I came over here and seen some of this stuff kind of sitting on the top of the ground and sticking out of the ground. So I gathered it up here. Some nice looking stuff. Too bad it's broke. Check it out. Yeah. Couple cork tops there. They're from the 30s though, probably. They're definitely, they're machine made for sure. So there's some rocky ground here. There's lots of rocks around. So I'm going to get the probe out and probe around those. Because they used to throw their trash around rocks for some reason. That's one of the places that I often find bottles and trash are around big rocks. Big rocks, down between rocks. That sort of thing. So we'll check that out. And we'll go from there. Alright. Catch you in a bit. Hey folks, let's have a look down in behind this rock here and see if there's anything down in there. I probed it and it seems like there's something down in there, so let's check it out. Well, from behind the rock, got a bunch of pieces of shoes. A few bottles, Dominion glass mark on them. So after 1928, a big piece of metal there, and there's a few pieces of broken glass. No keepers though. Let's go find something else. Hey everyone, just popped out these two bottles here. It's a screw top. I think these are like from the 20s or 30s. Yeah, that's a Dominion glass on the bottom of that. It is a cork top, but they seem to be quite common, those particular ones. But right down in here, you can hear there's some glass down in there. Rock there. Hear that? So let's dig that up and we'll see what that is. There might even be something over here too. Down between these rocks. Okay, I'll get you back up if I find anything. Well, dug down in between those rocks. There was a bunch of broken glass down in there, and this one was the only complete one in there. I have no idea what it is. There's some weird texture all over it. See, that would have had a label right there. This would be a screw top. And it doesn't look like there's any maker's mark on the bottom. There might be, I think there might be a diamond inside that circle there. Well, anyways, I don't know what it is, but I have to look it up maybe. Alright, catch us on the next one. Well, back folks. I didn't find what I was looking for today. Well, we found some bottles and glass, but not the old stuff like we're looking for. And there's an apple tree there. There's a couple of apple trees there. And right here is the cellar hole. See, it goes up. That's the corner right there, one corner. And it goes over. The corners behind that slim tree there, and back way around that way. And there's some trash in here, as you can see. But it's not trash from when this building was standing. It's trash from after the building was torn down or whatever happened to it. Obviously, it's in the hole, so it came afterwards. What we're looking for is stuff that was discarded when the building was still standing. So normally they would have threw it behind the building. Now, right now, the modern road is over that way, which would mean this would be behind the building this way. And there is stuff up here. But 100 years ago, the road might have been up there. We got to keep that in mind. So it might have been discarded over that way, or maybe even over that way. Whatever the case is, I didn't find it today, so I'm going to have to come back again and keep poking around. But it made for an interesting video. A little explore, something a little different. So, hope you've enjoyed it, and maybe picked up a couple tips. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Over and out.